Good afternoon, guys, and welcome back to PA Street Team. For those of you that are new here, my name is Derek. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can keep up with my latest content. Today, I am over here in Camp Hill, and we are over at Boosted Teg's house. Him and the guys from Driven to Compete are going to be working on the Bubble Civic. Hopefully, we're going to get a startup out of that today. We were just over in Shermansdale at the Driven to Compete garage with Sean, and he took the R32 for a spin. So make sure you hop over to his channel, like and subscribe to his channel if you haven't. He has a lot of great content, lots of R content, and lots of American Muscle stuff. But yeah, he took the R32 for a drive, and we had some fun with that. I think it surprised him a bit, so make sure to hop over and check that out. But I brought the car over here, and today I'm going to be working on the rat's nest of wires under the hood. All of this garbage right here, this is all wiring for the Underglow kit. So recently I discovered solder and seal wire connectors, which are like the coolest thing I've ever seen in my life.
On each connector, you'll see two colored bands. These are the heat-activated adhesive seals. The metal bands you see in the middle are the low-temperature solder rings. All of this is enclosed in a heat-shrinkable tube.
I know this is probably something that everybody knows about except for me, but I think these are the coolest things ever. So I got Sean to kind of walk me through the basics on how to do it. Here's the one that he did. Let's see if I can focus in. And all the connectors are put together. So I have about 5 to 6 more of those wires to do, and hopefully that'll clean up the bay a bit, just because there's all of this extra wire, and that's just ridiculous. And we can always extend it if I need to in the future. But I'm going to do that time-lapse style, and we will see how it turns out. So let's get started. Alright, so as you can see, finally got all of the connections redone. All that spaghetti on the ground is out of the car now, which we just need to wrap this up a bit, and then we're going to loom over top of it. So I'll be back in a second once we get that finished. Alright, so here's the after shot. We got the wire all loomed up, looking nice, much cleaner. Just a single unit going down now. We're going to do a quick test of the lighting. It was all working before we did all this. We were sure to test it. But I'm going to hook all this back up, and then we'll make sure, just as a final test, that everything's working. We should be good to go. Alright, so we just did the final test. Everything's lit up, working real well. I'm pretty happy with the outcome, so I'm going to take you on a walk around and we can see everything, and then we'll end the video. So let's go take a look. Driver's side skirt lighting, under bumper, lower grills, upper grills. Passenger side skirt lighting looks good. Rear bumper looks good. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with how that turned out. Just another small project checked off the list. Now that it's starting to get cooler out and events are not really happening anymore, we'll have lots of time to work on stuff. So with that said, thank you for watching the video, and until next time, take care.